Always kick off, ball goes loose, picked up by Elsie, I think it is, off to Toba. Toba on a fly, makes it to the 22, shipping it out to Elsie again, I think that is. Set to ground on the 22. Back to, I think that's, is that Suzanne? Suzanne may have come back on. There she has. Ball goes loose, picked up by Jess. Oops, sorry. Off the action. Ball shipped back to Izzy. Coming all the way left, ball goes loose. Abby cleans it up, takes to ground. Thurrock under pressure in the red zone. Kicking cross field. Knocked on there by Always.
In front of the kids, he's in front!
Scrum down just outside the 22 to T-Birds. Good scrum by Always, driving T-Birds back. T-Birds come away with the ball. Izzy on a run, offloads, taken to ground. Always now in possession. Going to drive through the middle. Dragging Hannah. T behind her.
We're getting there. I think we're probably a lead.
T-Birds turn it over again. Box kick. Makes the almost the 22. Sam will take the line out for T-Birds. Picked up nicely into the maul. Maul's driving forward slowly but surely. Still driving forward. Great maul by T-Birds. Stopped, shipped back to Izzy. Oh, lovely little dummy there. Offloaded back to Izzy. Jenkins gets it out to Sam. Sam head down, drives forward another 3-4 metres. Looks like Thurrock not releasing. Always kicked a touch, find it just inside the 22. Always line out, picked up nicely. On a run. Always with another 5 on the board.
Yeah, I agree.
5 minutes in. 27-10 pending this conversion. That one goes through, so that's 29-10.
Go, Cheese! Let's get it down and let's go, Cheese!
Izzy to restart us. Kicked across field. It's not made 10. So it's scrum down on the centre. Good drive by OAs. T-Birds resisting as much as possible. Knock on there by OAs. Picked up by Ella Jenkins. It's actually slipping. Another knock on there by OAs.
All day.
Looks like that's a yellow.
Number 15, 15.
Looks like it was an intentional knock on. The ref's having a word. No, the card's not coming out. Jenkins kicked a touch.
Why no card?
My dad told me that thing, so
Sam picks up the ball. Sam. Hannah picks up the ball nicely into the maul. Maul driving forward.
Free ball!
Looks like OA's are taking the maul down. There's an advantage for it.
no advantage.
Advantage gone. Ball's gone loose.
Where's the advantage? Put it back.
Thank you!
Ref's bringing it back. Was still playing the advantage. My apologies.
Thank you!
Oh no, it's for the claps in the maul. The advantage was. So Ella once again to kick to touch. Ball's gone long. Oh, takes a left turn and goes out. Lucky bounce there. But it's still going to the dead zone. Looks like it's still went into the dead zone. Looks like Kaylee's coming on for OAs and a couple of others, 16 and 22. Who's come on for us? Is that Layla? Not Layla. Emily. Looks like Emily's come on for T-Birds and Faye's come off.
Crouch! Bind! Set!
Good scrum by both sides. Oa's come away with the ball, kick downfield. Hannah chasing fast. Hannah wants to go on a run, down across field. She's taking the long route. Offload to Layla, I think that is. Ball come out to Toba. Toba driving forward.
Great stuff, Tees.
Jenkins out to Elsie.
Let's keep it.
Elsie goes to ground on the 22. T-Birds now putting a bit of pressure on Oa's. Rosie driving forward into the 22, still going. Taken to ground after 2, 3, 4 metres. Big bundle on the ground there. Oa's in possession. Kick downfield.
Staying on, he's staying on.
Hannah.
Yeah, nice, Abby.
So Abby now on a run, left and right, left and right. Great little run by Abby. Almost back to the 22. Jenkins gets it out to Sam. Sam driving forward again up to the 22. Out to Izzy. Izzy to Toba. Toba being knocked around like a pinball machine. Taking the ground just inside the 22. Ball comes out. Pick and go by Hannah Sandyman. I think that's Hannah Sandyman. Toba being driven backwards, still in possession. Rosie playing 9 now. Pick and go. Another metre. Ball comes out, Jenkins there. Goes right to Izzy. Izzy, Izzy to Elsie. There's a bit of a reach. So knock on to Oa's, playing advantage. Oa's now on a run up to the halfway line. Oa's been driven back into their own half. Oa's still in possession, shipping it left. That was forwards. That was clearly forwards. And the refs allowed it. Unbelievable.
It's a forward pass.
Taken to ground by
Forward pass,
Izzy.
sir.
Oa's still in possession, driving forward, just inside the 22. Hannah Sandyman stopping that advance. Oa's juggling the ball now. Taken to ground just inside the 22. Chipping left. Kick across field. Missed that catch. Emily running on it. Tried to kick it. Missed completely. Oa's pick it up. Back in possession. Izzy trying to strip the ball. Where's the ref?
Forward pass. T-Bird's ball.
I think that one's long gone, Phil. Ref's bringing it back for something else. Can't quite hear what he's saying. Oh, high tackle. I missed that one. Kick to touch. Finding it on the 5. Ball goes long. Jenkins with a box kick. Managed to get it over the heads, but it's gone across field rather than forward. Always pick it up. Still piling the pressure on. Taken to the ground on the 5 or just thereabouts. Shipped out to wing, bounced backwards. Taken to ground. Can't see what that's for. But it's in OA's favour. Taken quickly. Too quick for me while I was having a quick swig of coffee. Looks like OA's has sneaked another one in. Some more substitutions being made by OA's.
Who's the teacher? Who's the teacher? She's on her own. Yeah, that's like
16 minutes into this half, 34-10. I believe that missed. There was no flags raised. The score remains 34-10. Looks like Susanna's coming back on. Like a yo-yo.
Let's go, Cheese!
Is it the kick to tuck? Restart us even. Kick way downfield. Chaser there. OA's in possession. OA's still in possession. Looks like Rose is coming off limping. That's why Suzanne's gone back on. Abby picks the ball up. Out to Hannah. Hannah hit hard. Dragged off field.
Play well, mate. How about that? You say no, I'm not going to.
Ball goes long, not straight again. Jenkins put the ball in for T-Birds. Drive by OA's. Ball comes out. Jenkins dives on it. Flicks it up to Elsie. Elsie driving through. 10th ground just outside the 10 or inside the 10. Tobe on a run. Hammering through. Makes it outside the 10.
Yes, KJ!
T-Bird shipping the ball right, but looks like OA's have turned it up. Ball goes forward. Tap and go by Hannah. Hannah wanting to kick her heels up. Ball's gone forward. OA's now in possession. OA's now pick up an advantage, didn't see what for. Ball's gone loose. Looks like it was a scrum, a knock on by T-Birds just inside their half.
Let's go, team!
Crouch. Five. Set.
Good scrum by both sides. Starts the wheel. Away's ball, tap and go. Pick and go. Shipping it left fast. On a flyer down the left. Taken to ground, but offloaded first. Looks like there's another score by Oways.
Yes, please.
No, there wasn't. Now the camera's dying on me. Not having a good day. Laptop dying, camera dying. Kick to touch. Finding it just inside the 22.
Or you can take that one off and take the side one off.
Plugged it into my heated coat. Should give me a bit more time. So line out, picked up by T-Birds on the far side. Maul edging out of the 22 up to the 22. Cheers. Apologies, the battery just dropped off of the camera. Struggling to pick it up while all that was going on. Oh, scrum down just inside the 22.
That's a good time.
Looks like Devon's waiting to come on for T-Birds. Good scrum by Oways. Come away with the ball, racing forward and right fast. Long pass. Ball goes out just inside the 22.
Sir.
Devon coming on.
Go, Devon. Let's go, Devon.
Can't see who's coming off.
It's the one Devon.
It's getting very dark here now. You probably can't see that on the camera. Oh, she gets up. Can't quite get her hands to it. Always come away with the ball. Looks like Layla's come off for Devon to come on. Away shipping left. Still going left. Always making a run for the line, take the ground. Around about the 5, going left again. Little dummy, reaches for the line, I think the ball was dropped. Looks like there may have been a knock on there. The camera's died quicker because I'm recording the second half just in case the battery on the laptop dies. That's probably why it's running down quick. The backup battery's already dead, so I'm running about 30%, so let's hope the game doesn't go on for too much longer than it should, and I might just make it to the end. So scrum down, Jenkins put the ball in for T-Birds. Big drive by OAs again. T-Birds come away with the ball. Kick. It's gone up rather than forward. OAs pick it up. Pass it out. Pass it back again. Taken to ground on the 5. Driving away forward. And the ball's dotted down for another 5 for OAs. Really scored to 41-10. Looks like the laptop's died, I can't put the score up.
Keep going, cheese, let's go! Come on, couple of tries, let's go!
Ball's gone sideways.
And then he told me. And then it's like, we get number. Say it. Honestly, I'm so crazy. I don't want to say
Looks like even the counter stopped on the laptop, so I don't think it's got enough power to power any of it. So the live feed must have dropped out. So 41-10, I'll keep the score on my hand. Ref not happy with the line out, scrum.
Push, Jeff, push, Jeff, push! Push!
The ball goes loose.
Yes! Let's go, cheese! Yes, indeed! Well done, Hat! Well done, Abby!
zero urgency.
Let's go then!
Kick to touch. Found just outside the 22. I think I need to get a a second backup battery if that one's going to die that quick. He's a few years old now. And it feels like the rain's coming back.
Layla, yeah, what? Done.
Get on him!
Ball slapped back for OAs. OAs pick up an advantage. OAs still in possession. Chip back, kick across field, no kick downfield. Picked up nicely by Devon. He's bringing it back for something else.
Are you okay now?
Ref wants a word with Hannah. He's having a chat with Jess. I think it's a high tackle. I can't believe it. He's bringing out a yellow card. After all the high tackles that have been going on in the first half. That's unbelievable.
We've done one, the second one straight away.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Unreal.
Unlucky Jess.
That is something else.
So he's kicked a touch, finding it just inside the 10.
Just like you coded.
Oh, he's picked up that set piece nicely. Maul's driving forward quick, goes to ground. Nice sounding bike in the background. Oh, he's coming across right. Taken to ground inside the 10. Still coming forward, shipping the ball right. Ball knocked on now. Ref's seen it this time. Elsie on a run. Ploughing through the middle. Taken to ground just inside the 10. Still advantage Thurrock. Ball goes over the shoulder. Brings it back.
Sir!
Couple of substitutions for OAs and Thurrock. Rosie's coming back on. Susanna's coming off. T-Birds down to 14 players. We're about 33 minutes into this half, according to the clock on the camera, because the laptop's gone dead. Scrum twisting, comes back to Izzy. Izzy on a run, gets it out to Hannah Thornhill. Hannah now kicking her heels up, being dragged out, offloads to Jenkins. Jenkins makes the halfway line. She's down, they're not releasing. Have now. Sam now driving forward. Another 4 metres, tap to ground. Elsie ball in hand, pick and go, driving forward. Kaylee's shirt's come off. Surely that's illegal. Shipping it out to Izzy. Izzy going across field. Back to Rosie. Rosie driving through the middle. Tack to ground. Just inside the OA's half. Jenkins out to Sam. Sam to Elsie. Elsie driving forward another few metres. Just behind Kat there. With her flag in hand. Hannah Sandyman on a run. Hannah driving through the middle, just twisting left and right. Goes to ground. Rosie now driving forward. Apologies, the tripod sinking. Take it to ground. We're on the 10. Kaylee's still playing in a sports bra. Toba gets into the 22, take it to ground. Looks like OAs have turned it over and picked up an advantage at the same time. Kaylee's coming back from for her shirt, which Yarrow was looking after for her. He collects ladies' rugby shirts. Was you keeping that warm for her?
Good start.
Looks like there's a T-bird down. I think it's Toba. She's just having a quick rest. She's up again. Always kick to touch. Not finding it. Ball picked up by Devon. Devon on a run. Then a crossfield, cuts in left, goes forward, takes it into the 10. Chipping out right. T-Bird still advancing. Out to Izzy. Hannah's on the far side there, making a run of it. Chip back to Izzy, across to Rosie, I think that is, driving forward. And Hannah's calling for a crossfield. It's not on at the moment. T-Bird still driving forward. Take it to ground around about the 5.
Let's go, Cheese!
T-Birds pick up an advantage.
Yes, Cheese!
T-Birds get another 5. First time we putting it on the laptop. It's 41-15. There won't be a timer or a score on the recorded version, obviously, because it's coming straight off the camera. So you just have to listen out for it. 41-10. 41-15. Pending this conversion. Although that's a bit of an arse from the far side. So we're around about 38 minutes in yet, the ball's fallen short.
Let's go! 2 minutes, Wesley, give me a try, please. Let's go. Let's go, girls.
Yes, we...
Both had too many advantages.
Sounds like Jess
Come on,
is tardy
Steve!
for the too many advantages given or too many penalties. It's just the last straw for the ref. Looks like there's an advantage. OAs. OAs still in possession, knocked on there. Has the ref seen it? No, he's bringing it back for something else earlier. An earlier knock on by the look of it.
Let's go, bit of urgency!
There's like 1 minute left on this half.
Let's go, Han!
Abby's put the knee down. They run off with the ball. Ref's marching them back for that. That time. Tap and go by Jenkins. Sandyman on a great run once again. Always looking for work, Sandyman. Comes off the feet. Always pick it up. Always still in possession, shipping it right. Always still in possession, shipping the ball left now. Take it to ground. Still shipping left. Oh, breakaway there. Stopped in her tracks by Abby, I think it was, or maybe not. No, Abby's there in the middle, so I'm not sure who that was. Anyway, taking the ground on the 20, on the 10. Goes left. Takes the ground on the 22. Devon turns it over. Going back at Oa's, out to Toba. Toba taking the ground. Ship back to Elsie. Elsie on a run. Takes the ground just outside the 22. Looks like Oa's reaching in. Rosie comes out. Drops over the top. Taking the ground just outside the 22. Oa's resetting. Oa's in possession. Going all the way left now. Advantage T-Birds. T-Birds now in possession. Sam going on a run. Looks like there's a T-Bird down in the middle of the field, or two. And Toba's down as well. Can't see who the other one is. They got their back to me. The backside. Can't see their number. Is it Elsie? Looks like there's Elsie down as well. And Toba. Cramps setting in. I'm showing around about 42, 43 minutes elapsed time. So, in the last knock-ins of this game. The ref's talking there, explaining the rules of the game. Bit of a lollygog, explaining all the rules. Something like that anyway. It's a word I heard earlier this week. Lollygog. Look it up. It might even be lollygag. Something like that. So the score 41-15. As I say, dying moments of this game. Looks like Jess might be coming back on for the dying moments. Gabs, your heated coat's come in handy. I've just taken the battery out of the coat, and that's what the camera's running off because the camera was dying. It's coming in very handy, not just to keep me warm, also to power the kit. So Jenkins put the ball in for T-Bird scrum, holding well. Comes out to Izzy, Izzy to Amelie. Amelie goes on a fast run, taking the ground heavily just inside the 10. Chipping out to Elsie, Elsie out to them, intercepted by the OA's 22. I think that was an offside. It was. If we want to try, this is the time to do it. Keep possession and take it down. Jenkins kicking to touch, makes just inside the 10 by the look of it.
Let's go, Cheese! It's a training ball.
Sam to take the line out for T-Birds. Oh, short ball to Rosie. Rosie running in hard. Offloads to Sam. Sam taking the ground on the 10. Ref's seen the high tackle this time. Rosie driving through again. Still going.
Free ball! Free ball!
Jess now making some ground into the 10.
Free ball!
Elsie driving forward again. Brings it back to Izzy. Izzy to Toba. Toba driving forward. Still advantage T-Birds. Shipping it right. T-Birds still in possession. Shipping it right. Still advantage. Coming back left to Izzy. Izzy goes on a run. Takes it to the 10, offloads to Elsie, I think it was. Elsie goes to ground just inside the 10. Elsie again, diving forward, taking to ground. T-Birds fighting, working hard, out to Izzy. Izzy to Sam. Sam goes on a run, just inside the 10.
Yeah, well done, Cheese!
Out to Toba. Apologies for any fruity language from Kaylee. I think that's Kaylee. No, it's not Kaylee. Might be Kaylee. It's an OA anyway. I think it's the OA 22. Rosie driving forward, still walking, dragging a couple of OA's players behind her. T-Birds come left to Sam, to Abby. Abby taking the ground inside the 10.
You got the machine going. I love watching those.
Looks like there's another high tackle by OA's. Finally a yellow card. That's been a long time coming. Walk of shame there for the OA's player for another high tackle. Oh, big tackle there on Sandyman. Pick and go. There's Elsie driving forward into the 22. Ball comes out, goes to Toba. Toba driving forward. Another high tackle. Make it into the 22. Shipping left. Elsie on a run. Elsie's doing some work today, as is Hannah Sandyman, driving forward again. Out to Sam, another hard worker, all the way out to Hannah. Hannah just driven straight off the field. She was just about to kick her heels up, and there's the final whistle. Final score, 41-15, just as T-Birds are about to put another 5 on the board. Unfortunate, but great game by both sides. We have a break next week. Week after, the men and the women will both be playing on Saturday. The men, I think, have got Chingford at home, and the T-Birds have got Exeter at home. T-Birds are playing at 1, and the men are playing at 3, I believe. So I should be filming those as well. We'll see you then. Ciao for now. I don't know what I'm getting down here, that's dead. There's a dodo. Let's turn this off.